that whispers to the rolling plains. A cowboy shadow rides the dusty lanes. Soft wind rustles through the tall green grass. In sweet harmony the moments pass. Horse and rider in a tranquil dance. The moon ascends as stars start to prance. Mountains cradle dreams of endless day. Nature's lullaby in softest sway. Tall grass waltzes with the evening breeze. Infinite moments where the heart finds peace. Cowboy soul in unity, so wild, lost in nature's arms forever mild. Creek sings softly as it winds and bends. Echoes of the earth with all its friends. Crisp night air and the scent of pine. Melodies of life so pure, divine. Distant owls call as the twilight fades. In the quietude love serenades. Under the stars where the hearts align. Nature's ballad flows through space and time. Tall grass waltzes with the evening breeze. Infinite moments where the heart finds peace. Cowboy soul in unity, so wild,